guys? My name is GLOCO and we're about to do our pilot episode of unboxing stuff. Okay, I have a bunch of stuff here. Some of many boxes that we have yet to unbox that was given to us like years ago. Maybe months. Several months ago. This one. Alright, so yeah, boys! But we're gonna start off with this one. Alright, the ASUS ROG Strakes Fusion 500. Now, guys, if you have seen my Tamago live streams, you've seen me not using any headphones. Okay, I've been using earphones because I've been waiting for this one. Alright, so yeah, it's been a while since I've worn headphones. I think the last headphones I was wearing was Cerberus. Can you get my Cerberus? Yeah, here we go. These were my favorite pair of headphones, but then for some reason I stopped wearing them because I don't know. But now that we have this one, it's time for the comeback of the headphones in my streams. All right. By the way, follow me in Tamago. All right. Ooh. Hey, look at that. Awesome. This is how it looks like. You can fold them. Pretty light. Look at those. Ano to? Ba't may mga buttons siya dito? Can you actually...
Yeah, it's a touchpad.
It's a touchpad.
Yeah.
Is it also?
Yeah.
So you can, when you touch these buttons, it works?
No, you don't touch it. You slide it.
You slide it. Whoa! We're gonna check that out later, guys. Once I connect it to the PC. But so far, it looks chromy. Look at that, shiny. And I heard it's RGB. It even has extra pads. Right now, it's using the leather pads. But if you're into comfort, you can use the mesh pads right over here. Okay, it comes with a pair of it. Yeah, boys. I actually prefer the mesh pads over the leather pads because it's kind of hot here in the Philippines, you know. And what else do we have here? Yeah, just pretty much the cord. User manuals. Yeah, we don't need those. So what's so special about these headphones, man? You've been using this pair of headphones before.
Yeah, it has Aura Sync.
It has Aura Sync?
Yeah,
Really?
Yeah. And it has a 7.1 button at the back.
7.1 button.
Yeah, there you go. Yeah.
I think, yeah,
that's
this
it.
one.
Yeah.
7 point. There's a freaking button here for the 7.1 thingy.
You can hide its mic as well.
Can hide its mic. Where is the mic?
Yeah, it's by the front. There you go.
Oh, here's the mic. There's a microphone right over here, guys. Look at this. Oh, hell yeah. See that? Coolio. Ooh, hey. Can't hear shiz anymore. Has noise cancellation in. Ah! You know, this is gonna get me killed, you know? Like, if everyone's... Let's say, for example, someone's getting killed outside. Or someone's shouting fire outside. I'll probably won't hear it. You know? I'll be left here to die.
Remove that film.
Which one? This one?
Yeah. Show it in the camera. Oh my god.
I don't know what kind of satisfaction you guys get from, you know, removing stickers and these things, you know, see? Well, ano, parang ASMR ganun. Here's the thing. I think I reviewed the ASUS Fusion 300, right? The 300, and one of the things that I didn't like about it was, well, the only thing I didn't like about it was it's using a USB. It's just using a USB micro. Now, the problem there is, if you guys remember back in kindergarten, there was this class project where you make those cup phones, you know, the cup with the string and all that stuff, and whatever you do on the other end, you can pretty much hear it. So it's the same thing here. So let's say, for example, I'm wearing the headphones and then my shirt tries to like rub the wire, or the wire hits something else. I can pretty much hear it right over here. It's transmitting it there. See, it's I don't even know what you call that in physics. Sound conduction? I don't know. Yeah, if it's really close, yeah, you can hear it. But if it's right somewhere in the end, you can't. So just be careful that the wires near the end doesn't hit anything or rub on anything, and you should be fine. Alright, so let's try out the ASUS Fusion 500 in the PC, and I'll give you guys a microphone sample or a voice sample. Here we go, let's go. Alright, so I'm wearing the Fusion 500 right now. Is it lighting up? See the light? Hell yeah, that's our sync, boys. Look at that. So if you have an ASUS motherboard or whatever, or the software, you can sync it there. Okay, the moment you've been waiting for, guys. Microphone sample. Alright, I just set up my Audacity. Alright, so this is the recording right now. I'm using level 86 in my Audacity, or in the sound level whatever thing. Hello, hello, mic test, mic test. Hey, hey, boys. There you go. That's how it sounds like. All right. ASMR. You Gucci? There you go. So that's how the microphone sounds like. Yeah. By the way, additional information about the ASUS Strakes Fusion 500. I mentioned about the what they call this, the invisible buttons here, right? You don't really press it, but you swipe it. So if you swipe left, swipe right, swipe up and down, it has designated commands like changing songs or amplifying the volume and all that stuff. So it's pretty cool, you know, very handy when you're if you don't want to click your mouse in changing stuff. So you'll see that in my Tamago live streams in the future. And it's also PS4 compatible. Look at that. So yeah, if you're a PS4 fanboy like me, you can use these headphones there. I wish they had like a 3.5mm jack. Tama ba yun? 3.5mm jack, you know, slot in the headphones, but it only has a USB slot. So yeah, maybe maybe I'm just used to the 3.5mm jack like the server is. So I'll just get used to it probably, hopefully. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the ROG Strakes Fusion 500. Sorry if I can't tell you anything about the sound quality. Well, actually I can right now, but you won't. You haven't heard what I've heard. The thing is, it's really immersive, guys. It's totally different from the Cerberus V2 headset where I can still hear the people inside my room. But with the Fusion 500, it's really immersive. Like for example, if you're playing Fortnite, PUBG, or any game that relies on looking out for the direction of the enemy, this is pretty perfect. Okay, it might be too immersive actually, because I just can't hear anyone else in my room. So that could be a problem, or well, in terms of, you know, practicality. But if you're really competitive in gaming, then I recommend you this headset. So yeah, boys. So I'm giving this headphones a silver award. It doesn't look silver, but yeah, it's a silver award. Mostly because I don't like the USB cable thing. Alright, if it had an option for a 3.5mm jack, then it would be good. Okay, then I would give it a gold. So we're not done yet, guys. Alright, we're not unboxing just one item. We are done with the Fusion 500. We are now down to some other stuff that we need to unbox. Okay, so I don't know which one to go for though. We still have like 2 more boxes here from different people. Let's start with this one. Okay, it's a box from the Pinoy game store. They sent this to me like months ago. I was supposed to unbox this for them and show it to you guys, but you know, delays and stuff because of the gaming house. But hey, we got it now, so whew, I'm excited to know what's inside. Right, it's pretty kind of heavy though, so we'll see. Let's go, boys. So I need something for unboxing. Oh, thank you very much. Ooh, a karambit. Alright. So here we go. Actually, you unbox it. And I don't know how to use that knife. Come on, you know. Here's Leland unboxing it for us. There you go. I wish I could use my katana, but it's kind of rusty right now. So maybe next time for a bigger box. Ooh. Nice. All right, awesome. Here we go, boys. Let's see what we have. So the Pinoy game store sent us a bunch of stuff. Wow! Yo, you got an Overwatch cap. Hell yeah. Alright, I'm gonna wear it right now. No, wait, there's more. There's a lot of caps here. Yo, we have a Admiral cap as well. Look at this. Awesome. And I'm gonna let me open everything up. Eesh. Hey. We have the Overwatch cap right here. Awesome. There's a bunch of caps here. What the? There's a lot of it. A Dota 2 cap. Dota 2 cap right over here. Now, nagustuhan ni Nildo. Dota 2 cap. There you go. Yeah, it has the logo on it. And like a blue version of this one. Look at that. Wow, their packaging is pretty cool. Each item is like wrapped in plastic. Let me just show you guys everything and like, there you go. So one there, the Dota 2 cap right over here, and a bunch of freaking, what do you call these again? Ballers. Bunch of ballers, Dota 2 ballers. And I might give this away on the next conventions, guys, so look out for me, okay? Ask about this. Alright, what else do we have here? Yo, Dota 2 t-shirts. Dota 2 t-shirts, boys. Yo, awesome. Dapat kay Neil to binigay, hindi sa akin.
Doon mo kay team.
Oh, ano. Yan, okay na siya. Hihingin to ni Neil. For sure. Kukunin ni Neil to. But I'm pretty sure it's size small though. So I'm pretty sure it's not gonna fit him. Thank you very much. Oh wait, there's more! Another shirt. It's large this time. Siguro I need na to. Large. It's a large version. Yeah, boys! Thank you very much to the Pinoy Game Store for sending these to me. Hell yeah, there's a link in the description below as to where you guys can check out their website. They even have another box sent to me, but I'm gonna unbox that in another day. Alright guys, so for now, thank you very much for this. It's really nice. Hell yeah! Alright, we're not done yet because there's one more box to unbox right over here, and it's from our friends in Play Park. Thank you very much, Sir Ryan and the team from Play Park, for sending this to me. And I'm not really sure what's inside. It's probably like Flife stuff or I don't know. Maybe. We'll see. It's pretty heavy, by the way, so ooh! Hope I didn't damage anything inside. There you go. See? Nice! Oh yeah, they sent this to me as a birthday gift. Look at this. Happy birthday, GLOCO. There you go. Thank you very much, Play Park, for sending this, whatever this is. About to find out. Oh hell yeah! I told you guys! It's a bunch of Flife stuff. Look at this. We have a doggy. Anong character to? Sino to sa Flife? Huh? It's a pet from Flife. Look at this! It's a doggy. There you go. You're sitting there with me. And ano to, may ampaw. Bago may ampaw. Sugian from your Play Park family. Oh, alright. Let's wonder what's inside. Baka pera. Yo, what the Yo! It's a Starbucks card. What the ano to? This is a gift, a Starbucks reward card. Yo! May pangkape na ako. That's pretty cool. Thank you very much. I don't even know how much is inside of this, but thank you very much. Ah, man. Next. Yo, could it be? Could it be a jacket? I'm pretty sure it's not a shirt because it's way too big. It's a jacket, boys! It's a hoodie! Hell yeah! There I go. Look at this. Fly for fun at the back and a yellow star in the front. Awesome. Thank you very much. There's even more, guys. Ano to? Take it to the next level. Oh! Audition shirt. Any of you guys play Audition? Ano audition? It's like rhythm game? Oh.
Kinda.
Audition, sure. I don't really play audition, so I might give this away, but thank you very much for the audition shirt. There you go. Awesome. Ano pa dito? And pretty sure this is SF. SF2 shirt. Oh, naano si Lorenzo. Nalaro ka nito? You play SF?
Of course.
Okay. It's large. But you're XL. So
That's gotta be my
motivation.
motivation to
to
go.
get. Ah, this is cool. Look at this. SF2 shirt. Thank you very much. Play part for this. Awesome! Grabe. Ano pa ba? And a bunch of lanyards. There you go. Might give this away as well. So yeah, boys! Baka meron pang special dito. Wow. I'm really surprised with the Starbucks card. I did not expect this. Seriously. And I'm craving for coffee, so I might use this right away. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Do we still need to unbox anything? Oh! Yeah. We still have one more. And it's from our friends from Pound It. Alright, Pound It PH. It's a website where you can pretty much buy electronics, gadgets, and other random stuff. There's a link in the description below. Alright. So they sent me a bunch of power banks, a lot of it. This one is a 20,000 milliamp power bank. Look at that, it's pretty big. It's like a freaking brick. It's like my laptop charger. Look at that. So 20,000 milliamps. Pretty cool. And then a dual port wall charger for charging your phones and other USB devices. So it's pretty cool. And the cutest one of it all, it's a Nyan board. It's a Nyan board power bank. It's 6,000 milliamps. It's pretty cool. You can probably full charge 2 phones from this one. Look at that! Nyan board. How did I do that? So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Wow, what a mess. Good thing I bought an unboxing table, yeah? So thank you very much to ASUS ROG for giving me this one, the Fusion 500. Alright, if you're looking for a new pair of headphones to use, I recommend this one, okay? Especially if you're a competitive type of player. Yeah, boys? And thank you to Play Park Incorporated for sending me all these cool stuff as well. Alright, make sure if you guys are playing Flive, we're in Iblis server. If you want to try out Flive, there's a link in the description below as well as to where you can download the client. And we're gonna play some other Play Park games such as Tank It and maybe Perfect World. We'll see, guys. Perfect World is launched already, by the way. So yeah, boys. And thank you so much for the very cool geeky stuff from the Pinoy Game Store, guys. There you go. So they also like I said, there's another box from the Pinoy Game Store right over there. It's off camera, but we'll unbox that in another day. Yeah, boys. So yep, that's it for my first ever unboxing video pilot episode. So what I'm trying to go for is that hopefully I can get an overhead camera, so I can like give you guys a more zoomed in perspective of the items I'll be unboxing in the future. So, and I'm also going for a weekly episode of these unboxing things. So watch out for the next ones in probably next week. Oh, and guys, if you want me to unbox your stuff, or if you have a fan-made thing that you want to send me and feature in the next unboxing episodes, then just email me in glocogamer@gmail.com and we can work things out as to how you can send those stuff to me, guys. Alright, I would love to unbox any of your random shit. Look at this. Jeez, that was fun. Ha. So thank you very much, guys, and I'll see you guys again in the next video. Bye bye. And oh yeah, we have other people in the back.
Dum dum dum.